Hello and welcome back to Rob's PC Workshop. Today we're going to be configuring a default route. So in this activity we're going to configure a default route on the Cisco 1841 customer router. The default route configuration uses the WAN IP on the Cisco 1841 ISP router. This is the next hop router from the Cisco 1841 customer router. So after the customer router is the 1841 ISP router. We're going to use the terminal emulation software on customer PC to connect to the customer Cisco 1841 router. Use the Cisco 123 for the console password. So now from customer router, we're going to ping 209.165.201.1. And it appears like we're not going to connect. So we're going to enter privileged exec mode using the password Cisco. The customer router prompt indicates that you're in privileged exec mode. So we're going to enter global config mode, and then we're going to configure a default route using the ISP WAN IP address as the next hop address. So enable gets us into exec mode, and then configure terminal gets us into global configuration mode. So from there we're going to configure the IP route. Okay. And now that we've got that configured, we're going to end and go back to privileged exec mode. So now we're going to use the show IP route to see what route IP is going to take. So the codes, the gateway of last resort, the direct connections, how they're connected. So from there, we're going to ping the router again. And we've got a success rate of 5 of 5. So now from the privileged exec mode, we're going to copy run start to save our configuration so we can shut our router down and it'll save what we've done. So now we can access the entire ISP network. Is this the type of access to the ISP LAN likely to happen in the real world? Why has the student activity been configured to allow this type of access? So more than likely we're going to be using Ethernet versus terminal to get to it, and it's been configured this way to teach us different ways of routing. So I hope that's been helpful. Have a nice day.